Are you aware of yourself that you're watching specific type of videos and or even reading specific type of articles that pleases your beliefs? Now this thing comes under confirmation bias and it is one type of cognitive bias. And as I spoke in another video in which I spoke about cognitive biases, heuristics and logical fallacies, I just spoke about them in detail. If you just want to watch that video, click the link up above. In this video, I will just explain about cognitive bias in detail along with some relevant examples that you can find easily in your daily life. You see, our brain has limitations. It can only process some information, and our brain always wants to take this world, which is very complex, into certain chunks and just remember it in an easy form. And it also helps you function in a better way. But it also creates a problem which I am going to address in this video. You watch only certain kind of news. You listen to only certain kind of influencers. You read only specific type of books. You listen to only specific sort of music. You watch only specific genre movies. So if you notice that this all comes under confirmation bias. Your brain want to stay consistent on this worldview. It just want to keep you safe from this what we call as not so accurate worldview. Let me give you some more examples that you can relate to. If a person did hurt you in the past, you are going to think of that person same. You are just going to think that he is going to hurt you again. And another example is that just imagine a game where you see a team is losing again and again. So you are going to make a conclusion there that this team is going to lose somehow. And this is a cognitive bias. So instead of processing all the factors that takes place in the game that leads to the losing of the team, you just want to give a conclusion that this team just loses every time. And it is a cognitive bias. Just notice how it makes everything simple to you. This world is too complex to grasp, and your brain just want to make you safe by just taking all this word and just putting in a box. And it just wants you to consume that same specific type of content that reinforces your beliefs again and again. In every moment, there are millions of factors that are affecting your decision and as well as other things. Although it is good for you, it also creates a problem because this is a bias. It just keeps you in a box and just doesn't allow you to make better decisions or even meet better people without having prejudices behind. You're more likely listening to that information again and again that is actually hurting you. It is hurting you in a specific way that you're not able to think out of the box and just question things in an objective way. So, the solution for this is to get aware of your thought patterns. And it is not so simple as I say. You can meditate or even relax yourself in a way that you're able to become aware of your thoughts. But it is not so easy. You just have to question your beliefs again and again. Question that if there are other sorts of information that can go against this. Let me give an example. If you are watching about psychology from a specific creator, just open another YouTube channel and just see their content also. And it may help you in a different way. It may give you a new perspective altogether. Just see that they are all perspectives, they help you in a specific way. And yeah, this is it. This is all about the video. And if you like this video, please click the like button below. It helps this video to go to more people, and also subscribe to this channel. It helps me make more videos. It helps me stay motivated.